I'll show you how to download Vanguard for Valorant. If you're getting an error related to Vanguard, or it's simply not working, this method will fix it. A lot of players face this issue after updates or fresh Windows installs, so don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. Start by going to your search bar and typing add or remove programs. On Windows 11, you'll see it appear immediately. Click on it to open the list of installed apps, the easiest way to remove anything that might be corrupted or outdated on your system. Now type Vanguard in the search bar inside this window. If your Vanguard is causing issues, just click on it and select uninstall. Confirm the prompts and choose yes when Windows warns you that some games depending on Vanguard may stop working. This message looks scary, but it's completely normal because Valorant requires Vanguard to run. The uninstallation process only takes a few seconds, so be patient while Windows removes all files. Once the uninstall is complete, refresh the page or scroll again to confirm it's gone. If it still appears, try clicking uninstall once more so the system clears any remaining files. Now it's time to reinstall it. Open your Riot client. You may get another permission prompt, so click yes. After the launcher opens, go to any Riot game like League of Legends or Valorant. Click on Valorant and you'll see an option that says Install Vanguard or a large update button. This is the safest way to reinstall Vanguard since Riot automatically installs the correct version for your device. Go ahead and click install. The process is quick, so just wait a moment for it to finish. If your internet is slow, the installation might take slightly longer, but it's usually under a minute. Once the installation completes, you'll see a message that says your game requires a system restart to play. Click restart, let your PC reboot, and then launch Valorant again. This restart is important because Vanguard won't run unless your system loads it during boot. Should now work perfectly. If you still run into issues, try reinstalling the Riot client or updating your Windows version. And that's it. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy fixing!